Okay guys, what I'm going to discuss now is summary pages. In the history that I've done this course, one of the most commonly asked questions for me is how to do a summary page. People have historically had problems with summary pages, and they sound a little confusing, but they're really not that hard. So I'm going to show you a simple example of a summary page. So you can see here I have a spreadsheet, and I have three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. And on sheet 1 I have these four numbers in row A, and in sheet 2 I have these four numbers in row A, and in sheet 3 I have these four numbers in row A. What I want to do is I want to sum A1 in sheet 1 to A1 in sheet 2 to A1 in sheet 3 and show that result on a new page. That's what a summary page is. Then I can go back to one of the other sheets, change the numbers, and that will be reflected on the new page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. First things first, I only have three sheets. I need a summary page, so I need to create a new sheet. So I'm going to go down to the bottom, and you see it to the right of sheet 3 there's the little insert worksheet tab. So I'm going to hit that, and there's a brand new sheet. So what I want to do is I want the results to show up on sheet 5. So I'm going to start my formula here, right? So I'm going to start equals sum and open parenthesis. And when I open the parenthesis, Excel knows something's coming. It knows that there's going to be some kind of a function. It's waiting for me to choose the cells. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to sheet 1, and I'm going to select my first cell. So you can see that A1 in sheet 1 is going to be the first cell. Now what I'm going to do is, you can't see me doing this, but just listen to me. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to hold the shift key down. So my finger's holding the shift key down, and then I'm just going to hit sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay? And as you can see in the formula bar, the sum formula is sum sheet 1 to sheet 3 A1. Alright? Then all I need to do is hit the enter button, and there's your sum on sheet 5. So what I did by hitting the shift button and clicking on the tabs was to include the A1 cells in both of those other tabs. Okay? Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this formula down using the fill handle down to A4, and you can see that these are now summaries of rows 2, 3, and 4 from the other sheets. So now let's say I want to go in and I want to change the sum value for row 2. So I'm going to go into sheet 2 and change the 12 to a 100. Let's just make it extreme and hit the enter button. And now you can see the change that has taken place. Now the result is 166. So that's how you do a summary sheet. A little bit of practice, it's really not that hard. Okay? Thanks guys.